Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. First and foremost, I want to wish you a happy Mother's Day. And let's go ahead and get started on our DIY. So we are going to do, it's semi-Dollar Tree. I've got some stuff from all over the place. But let me go ahead. You can use Dollar Tree products on almost anything. We're going to upcycle. You can use an old wine bottle if you like. So let me go ahead and show you. I'm going to use this wine bottle. It is gradually colored ombre, I guess you would say. This one came with these lights that fit right inside from the 99-cent store. So you can get the colored bottles at the Dollar Tree as well. Any color. You can color your own if you'd like. Whatever you'd like to do. But we're going to be using this. I also grabbed some of the pearls from the Dollar Tree. Some burlap ribbon, which you know is my favorite. I have a little, now I went into my stash of stuff, okay? And I had this little doorknob. I don't know if I'm going to be using it or not, but it's really cute. So let me go ahead and show you. Really pretty. I use them for the tops of jars and whatnot. So those. I have a little, oh, this one's colored on the blue side. I'm not going to be using that side though. But I have a little clip here, and they do sell these at the Dollar Tree, and this one just happens to be blue, so I grabbed it. I also have just the regular clothespins that are natural color, so I have those. I have a little picture of me and my goddaughter here. So, and then you're going to want some flowers. You could use paper flowers. I'm choosing to use these Prima flowers that I purchased at a little convention where they have, you know, all kinds of stuff, and it was on clearance, of course. And I think I got like, I don't know, 8 things for $10. But I'm going to use 2 of these. You could also use real flowers from the Dollar Tree. So I grabbed those. You can use whatever you'd like. We're just going to play, okay? We're just going to have a day of crafting. So let's go ahead and move this over so you can see what's going on here. I always like to look at you, so there we go. I'll just, ta-da! You know me. Okay, so we've got our jar. We've got our ribbon. And first thing, you guys know, I love this ribbon. Now, I don't want to cut off all that color. So I'm going to put this just a little bit lower here because I don't want to cut this part off either. So I'm going to go a little bit higher on this. And then, of course, I've got my glue gun. So I'm going to take that hot glue and I'm going to put it right on here. Just a little bit, not a whole lot. And then that gives me enough room to kind of play with it. There we go. And yes, I have my little rubber fingers right over there and didn't put them on. I will do that right now. So just sticking that on. I'm going to put one of these little rubber fingers on because I do not want to burn myself today. So they're really cool. A friend of mine, Susan, bought them on Amazon for me. She is a beauty. So thank you, Susan. I think of you every time I use these. And then I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit more hot glue right here. And you guys often ask why I use my glue gun over on that side, and it's for 2 reasons. Because it's closest to the wall, so that I can plug it in because I can't, well, I guess I could, but I don't want to. And the other reason is I'm just more comfortable with it over here. I like to put all my stuff that I'm using. So look, I was able to touch that, press it all down in between the burlap pieces there. And then you just rub off any additional strands that may have hung over. And don't worry about this. We are going to cover that up so you can have this whole bottle just sitting on the table. And let's go ahead and open these up. This is real quick, real easy. I have not really thought too much about what I want to do. I just know that I wanted to make a really pretty little holder, and this would be a great little gift, especially for, like I said, I'm going to be doing this for my goddaughter, who is a teenage girl. So there we go. She's pretty artistic as well. She is super cute. Okay, so I think what we're going to do is I want to put some of these little guys around the bottom. So let me go ahead and get these all over the place, because I already know this is going to happen, so might as well just do it now. If I were smart, I would have a little jar, you know, some little type of bowl or something. But again, I'm just going with it. So let's go ahead. We're gonna just go all the way around the bottom. So I'm gonna put some glue here, and then I'm gonna make sure that the sides that don't have the holes are sticking out. And we're just gonna go all the way around. And I haven't measured these at all, but I am surely hoping that they are going to fit properly. How about that? So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this, and I'll be right back. Okay, we've got all those on except for one little one that doesn't fit in there perfectly. It's a little bit too big. So instead of gluing it to the glass, right, it's just barely. There's two ways I could do it, and I'm going to do the first way, and then I'll tell you about the other way. I'm going to put some glue on this side, and I'm going to put some glue on this side of those pearls, and then use that to anchor this. Oh, hold on, hold on. You gotta be careful. There we go. And then I need to glue this one back on there. There we go. So now that one's going to be anchored. I'm doing this really quick with the hot glue, but I would probably use some E6000 if you want to keep this really, really permanent, which I think I'll go over and do that maybe at the bottom, actually, to keep that all on there. So we've got that guy. And that is super cute. Look at, so far so good. And it makes a nice little, what's it called, base there. Now, if you didn't want to do that, you could just take one of these flowers and cover it up like that. So you can't even tell. Okay, so we are actually going to use these flowers now. So I'm pulling them off. They are not glue flowers, so you have to glue them on yourself there. So I'm just pulling these off. Oh, and they're super adorable, and they all go so well together, and none of them are the same. So I think this is going to be just the cutest idea here. So we're going to start gluing them just kind of around here and there, and I do like this one down at the bottom. We're going to kind of cover that up, but not too much. And we're also going to cover up this little area right here, so that seam. And we're just going to kind of cascade these flowers. I'm gonna just look and see what works best. That one. See, when you just try things, it happens. So I'm just gonna keep going with it. Woo! Where'd that glue come from? I know. Look, that's like when somebody on Survivor goes home with an idol. Like, I burnt my fingers and had this on me the whole time. And did I put it back on? Of course not. Am I going to get a text from Susan? Probably. I think we're going to put this guy... I don't know. We don't really need a lot here, guys. We really don't. I do like this one, though. Just so cute. Oh, there we go. I'm going to put that one right here and overlap those two. So I'm still only going to use the hot glue in the middle and push it down through those. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I like to work in odd numbers, so I think that will be really nice there. So look at how pretty this is. Isn't that super cute? Now, I mean, we can use this however we would like. Looking to see where I think I want this guy. I may just want it off to the side here. I don't know. I don't even know if I I don't even know if I want to put the picture. Oh, there, that's super cute. But you could always take it off later. So if you don't care for it, you just take it off when you put it on with hot glue. So again, you could use actual flowers in place and it would be super cute and adorable. Oh, I'm gonna see. You can always do this. Look at how cute is that? Wouldn't that be cute for a wedding, like a wedding centerpiece? I think that's what I'm gonna do, you guys. I cannot decide where I want it, and I think this looks really cute like this. You could even add a little one of these guys on here. You could put these guys in there, of course. Let's do that so you could see. I'm just giving you some ideas now. There's so many different ways that you could just decorate bottles, you guys. I have so many wine bottles. And I love to decorate them. Look at that. How cute is that? So you can do that. You could do a mixture of both, I guess, if you wanted to. Let's see, you could take this as is, right? Now, hot glue this guy there. See? Hot glue it. Let's see. See that? How cute is that? So you've got everything going on there. I mean, the sky is the limit when you're messing around with these guys. You could put some flowers in there. Have it as an actual vase if you'd wish. Really pretty. And then I was going to, and I'm not going to now, is to top it off there when you didn't have a cork. So we do have that. You could always color this guy. Put this on top and give that a little guy there. Oh my goodness. So many ideas. So many great ideas. But if you like this, you guys, please give me a big thumbs up. I think it's super cute. And I am going to go ahead and do this and give this to my goddaughter, and hopefully she likes it. And I'm going to put a little picture that reminds me of here. I've done it on Instagram. She looks like the little girls from The Princess and the Frog. I don't remember the name of it. I do not, but it's so cute. All right, that's enough. I just love it so much. All right, beauties. I hope you guys, again, are having a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.